Hi, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So today marks day 17 of the Advent Calendar series. I just can't believe we're in such high numbers, y'all. This just means the days and days left until Christmas for our shopping and our food preparations. It's getting less and less, and I'm not enjoying that. But what I am enjoying is all of these lovely goodies in the Advent calendar, so I can't wait to see what's in store for day 17. So let's get into all of the magic. After that stunning blue that we got, Obsidian, I have just been dreaming of all of the other colors because we have been getting such a gorgeous color story, and I can't wait. All of the full sets are very, very close. Oh, okay, so this is called Star Sapphire, but it's a green. And personally, sapphire is my birthstone, and I never knew that sapphires came in any other color until today. Thank you, Madam Glam, for teaching me something. So I had to look this up because, again, sapphire is my birthstone. How am I this years old finding it out? So actually it says, when one thinks of sapphires, the first thing that comes to mind is an intense blue color. However, natural sapphires come in almost every color of the rainbow, including pink, rose, violet, yellow, orange, green, blue-green, which is my absolute favorite, and white, which is colorless. I had no clue there was such a range of sapphires. So Madam Glam, you have taught me something today. And let me tell you, this name does not steer us wrong. This is one of the most vibrant and gorgeous greens I have ever gotten. I can't wait. This is giving me the Grinch vibes. There's gonna have to be so much magic. And now that we truly have like nudes and pinks and blues and greens, like we're really getting the color story down. So I'm gonna be able to do all of the art. I made sure to include in this video an assortment of pictures of sapphires because my mind is still blown. But I am absolutely in love with this delicious green. And it's so interesting because they've given us like almost like a hunter green, and that was in the liner. So I'm loving the vibrancy of this. We are definitely going to have to do some striped holiday magic with the different greens. Thank you so much for coming into today's video, day 17. And please let me know down in the comments if you knew there was different color sapphires, because that is definitely the news of the day. I am just mystified, and especially because I can't get over it enough. It's my birthday month. That's insane. Well, now I'm going to be on the hunt for all the different rainbow of sapphires. I guess it fits because I've got the rainbow personality. Thank you so much for coming into day 17, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow for day 18. The box looks different, y'all. It could be a pudding gel or paint. I'm so excited. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.